Okay, so I just we finished doing the alignment, and now I've been doing some just testing of the radio on an antenna, and I'm getting very unsatisfactory results. It's not picking up much of anything. So we're going to do a little bit of experimenting here and find out, is it really picking up nothing, or is there nothing to pick up? And that's where we're at. So I'm on the top band. The top band is 15 to 15.5. Where'd that noise just go? Radio went quiet. So let's dial up 15 here. And oh, there comes that noise back. Something funny going on. Definitely. Something odd. Dial up to 15 here. Oh, can't quite get there that way. Right in here. Not a thing. So, oh, there it goes again. Maybe I had it shorted there or something. Shorted on the antenna. Now, this radio's not happy. It was working good there. What happened? What happened? This is coming right out of my signal generator now. Well, the radio seems to have gone dead. Okay, so we're on the high scale. Up around 15. There, it's gone dead again. Jeepers creepers. What's going on? What's going on? What is happening? That's the signal generator, volume up. And we should pick it up right in here. And we were doing so good. Okay, so I really don't know what's going on. So we'll go to AM. I'm not sure what that is. Just router interference. So she's working okay on the AM band. Next band. Yeah, you can hear it in radio AM. So if this is the next band, it's 9.5. So there it is. It's definitely the 9.5. Next band, 11. There it is. Booming right in. Next band, we should get it around 15. He's doing nothing. Bad switch. There it is. Bad switch. Okay, so we'll clean that switch, and I think some of these problems will go away. Huh. Power supply transformer is warming up, but it's got a couple hours of use on it now. Hey, last time I cleaned a switch, I set it on fire. Should we try that again? Flip it right on its back here. See. Oh yeah, it's pretty dirty in there. Let's shove in a piece of paper towel here. Try to catch the excess, because get pieces of paper caught in the switch. He's gooped up pretty good. The switch actually bumps this capacitor, isn't that something? Ooh, that sounds grindy, but that's how they get as they're getting clean. Now I'm gonna spray in some very volatile contact cleaner. Okay, capacitor is no longer being bumped. Don't know if that was important or not. Switch feels and sounds good. I think this radio is probably finished at this point. Let's flip it over again. The real uplift with this radio is not the radio itself, it's the cabinet. The cabinet is really pretty dirty, and it's going to clean up real nice. So we should switch her back on. Yeah, remember last time I set a fire in there. Look at that.
And to teach scientific concepts with over 30 years experience as a college science instructor. His understanding of theology of the body combined with
A little noisy. Okay.
I want to ask you first, and I guess you could take turns on the question. Tell us the significance of Saint.
Real nice.
What? All would call upon his name. Friend, I'm asking you, get in touch with this Son of Man, the Son of God.
Dirty switch. How do you like that, eh?
And then you'll have a friend in a high
There it is,
place
though.
that will do you some good when you need that help. This life on this earth is over. Well, our time is out again.
Sounds
one more
lovely.
Time, and there's so much more that we could have covered in this. This is broadcast number 2.
Lots of
If you'd like
volume.
a copy of this tape, just ask for
That's
it,
great.
and
This
I'll
radio's
send
done.
it to you, no cost or obligation. My name is Brother James. My address.
Brother James. Hey, he's got the same name as me. Okay. Okay, Brother James. Thanks for coming through on the radio. And now it's all about the cabinets.